Hey guys, Patrick Don VXP Realty, part of the Johnson Group, out here at 1505 Cedar Grove Plantation in Windsor Forest. It's a part of Savannah, Georgia. But the crazy thing about this home, it's in a hidden part of Windsor Forest that most people don't see. You gotta check this home out. It's beautiful. It's got its own private dock, gourmet kitchen, vaulted ceilings, which you gotta see how beautiful this home is. Let's go check it out. Welcome home, right? Look at this living room. I love it. The wood beams going up, contrasting with the dark versus the white. Love that. Great light fixture, great view outside, beautiful fireplace with the Savannah Gray Brick. Gotta love it. Also, hey, what's a living room without a bar, right? So this is a beautiful living room. Check it out. Now we're in the gourmet kitchen. And I want you to pay attention to the double oven, the gas stove, the views going out, stainless steel appliances, wine cooler, and quartz countertops. Beautiful. And the little dining area right there, check that out. Now we are in the primary bedroom, super large bedroom, 4-poster bed, easy, no problem. All the furniture you possibly want, 2 closets and a beautiful views going out. Obviously a great bathroom, but I'm gonna let Brandon check out this room real quick and I'm gonna go in here. Now, welcome to the bathroom. I love this bathroom. You got the granite countertops, jetted tub, separate shower with 2 heads, and a closet for your toilet. Go check this one out. Now we're in the mother-in-law suite, I would call it, with you can go out to the deck right there. Beautiful views going out. We got the fireplace right here, its own bathroom. Check this one out. Intimate settings at night, having dinner with your family in this large family dining room area. Love it. You got a view out front. A nice little china cabinet right there. I love that. Entering into this den, I mean, they got a ton of fireplaces here. It's fantastic. I love that. This would be a good place, like a front room for everybody to sit while they're waiting, maybe some cocktails before they go into the main event. Check this one out. Welcome to the lofted area upstairs with a exit out to the balcony, which I love. There's 4 bedrooms up here. I'm gonna let Brandon take care of those real quick, but they're all massive. Oh, hi. Just reading a book. We're in the study right now, which I love this study because you got a shot out to the dock. Very intimate, very quiet. So check that out. Now we're outside in the rain briefly. I just want to show you this beautiful view out here with the pool out to the dock, and then this deck is great. I mean, look at this. I love the double fans, high ceiling, same kind of aesthetic you have with the inside as the beams are going up. The contrast is light blue. The tan is fantastic. And then you're just sitting out here hanging out, looking at the pool, looking at the river. Now, the dock is deep water at all tides. So check this out. But the yard is impressive too. If you just look at the yard, you can do all kinds of activities. I'm seeing, you know, badminton, cornhole, grilling, partying, all that stuff you could possibly think of in the outside. Let's go check out this dock. We'll get a little wet. All right, so now we're out on the dock. You see it's high tide. Well, it's high tide at all times here, but at high tide, you can really see how much water comes up. It's the little Ogeechee River. It gets you out to the Ogeechee River. I want to thank Kristen Brown from Keller Williams for letting us film this home. If you have any questions about this home, you can give me a call at 912-657-3544. Talk soon. Bye.